Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about fennel, and I have a list of tips and ideas that will hopefully help you out when you're working with fennel. First of all, the stalks of fennel can be saved and added to soups and stews. If you want to, freeze them in the meantime, they'll work out just fine for you. The leaves, also called the fronds of fennel, can be used as an herb seasoning. Add the leaves to salads or cooked foods as a garnish. Try stir steaming some fennel with some onions in a little bit of vegetable broth and serve it as a side dish. Try a fennel pesto by blending fennel leaves or the fronds, garlic, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and pine nuts. Try a salad made with sliced fennel with avocado and orange segments. Sounds good. Try topping some thinly sliced fennel with plain yogurt and mint leaves. Why not add shaved fennel to coleslaw? Braised fennel goes well with scallops. The fennel bulb itself can be on the fibrous, tough side sometimes, so slice it very, very thin, and that way it'll be easier to eat when you're eating it raw. When you cook fish, try laying some fennel stalks and the leaves or the fronds on or next to the fish, and that will infuse that fennel flavor, give it a kind of a sweetness in the fish as it cooks. 1 pound of fresh fennel is about 3 cups sliced. Now the flavors may be a little bit different, but it will work for you. If a recipe calls for 1 pound of fresh fennel and you don't have it, you can substitute an equal amount of celery with a teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds in place of the fennel. That will work. 1 pound of bok choy plus 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds could also be used as a substitute for fennel. Now, if a recipe calls for fennel seeds and you don't have them, you could substitute anise seeds for the fennel seeds. Bear in mind that anise does have a stronger flavor than fennel, so you would use less of the anise seeds than what the recipe calls for in terms of fennel seeds. If a recipe calls for fennel fronds or leaves and you don't have any, you could substitute dill leaves or tarragon in place of the fennel. Yes, the flavors will be different and it will change the flavor profile of your dish, but it will hopefully work for you in a pinch. Why not try braising some fennel in orange juice with some shallots just until barely fork tender. Add a little pinch of salt if you want to, and a little sprinkling of some parsley and orange zest, and enjoy. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.